In the Cici and Hyatt Brown Museum of Art sits a beautiful ship portrait by Antonio Jacobsen called the SS Apache. The SS Apache was a luxury ocean-going steamship liner. It was built in Philadelphia and launched on March 30th, 1901. This beautiful ship was state-of-the-art. It was 284 feet long with a beam of 40 feet. The ship drafted 20 feet. In 1902, it was advertised as a tri-weekly sailing from Jacksonville to New York with a stop in Charleston. The Apache was owned by a Gilded Age steamship company called the Clyde Line. They were famous for sailing steamships up the St. Johns River all the way to Lake Monroe at Sanford. There were two known captains of the SS Apache, Augustus Chelton and David Kemp. The ship, built in 1901, was scrapped in 1928. One of the most fascinating figures in American marine painting is Antonio Jacobsen. Jacobsen was born in Copenhagen, Denmark in 1850. Because his father was a violin maker, he was trained as a musician, but his true love was ships and the sea. He spent much of his time sketching by the waterfront. During the course of his career, it is estimated that Jacobsen painted between 5,000 to 6,000 paintings, almost exclusively portraits of ships. At one time during the late 19th century, he was, in fact, commissioned on a daily basis by ship owners and captains to paint their vessels. Before starting a painting, Jacobsen would make detailed pencil sketches of the vessel, often covering 4 to 5 pages in a notebook. Each notebook was numbered and filed for reference. Jacobsen's entire career was spent either in New York or in a large house in West Hoboken, New Jersey, offered a magnificent view of the harbor. Over the years, he painted every type of vessel, small and large, tugboats, sloops, you name it, he painted it. Nearly every ship that sailed in and out of New York Harbor between 1873 and 1919 was chronicled by Jacobsen. This painting, the SS Apache, was a commissioned piece by the Clyde Steamship Line and was hung in their boardroom. The Apache was the first luxury steamship to offer non-stop service from New York to Miami. The Apache was also the first steamship to arrive in the newly renovated port of Miami in 1924.